Jamaican St. James man charged with attempted murder of police in Florida. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican man is facing 2 charges of attempting to murder a police officer in Lauderhill, Florida after a shooting incident on February the 12th. Charge is 32-year-old Reese Anglin of a Montego Bay, St. James address. Anglin was charged after being on the run for 2 days. Reports from the Broward County Sheriff Office Homicide Unit are that Anglin was arrested on Valentine's Day by Tampa police. According to investigation, around 6 p.m. on February the 12th, members of the Broward County Gang Investigation Task Force were conducting an operation at Calypso K Apartments in the 4100 block, Northwest 21st Street of Lauderhill. Reports are that during the operation, Anglin and Tafari Elliott confronted 2 members of the law enforcement team. The police reportedly drew their weapons and identified themselves, but a shootout ensued. Elliott was reportedly struck and fled. Anglin also fled the scene. Elliott was reportedly found in an apartment complex and detained. He was then given medical treatment at the scene before being transported to hospital. Elliott is also facing 2 counts of attempted murder of a law enforcement officer. Several firearms were seized. No law enforcement officers were injured during the shooting. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.